Welcome to African Gardening. Today I'm going to be harvesting my special guava variety. This guava variety is a variety I've developed over 5 years through the method of clonal selection. So right now we're in my office where I kept them because they need a lot of sunlight. Where I would have kept them in my house, there is not too much sunlight there. Guavas need a whole lot of sunlight from morning till evening to do very well. Take note of that. So I'm just going to take you around. As you can see, they are all in pots and they have huge fruits. So we're just going to start with this. All right, you can see the size of this, see the size of that. These are quite huge. And even there's one that I'm trying to break the world record. It's going to be greater than, much bigger than 1 kilogram. So let me show you again so you can see them. Of course, when we're harvesting them, we will be seeing them. See all the guavas, they're all huge. All right, so we're just going to start and, whoa, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You can see that in my hands. It's big. These are really, really big. Really, really big. All right, really, really big. I got my cutting tool here to start harvesting the guavas. So let's see. Let's start with this one. You can see. I'm going to show you each one before we harvest. Whoa, this is huge. And then we're going to weigh them there. There you go. So we got one here. Take another one. Whoa, there you go. There's one here as well. Okay, we're still gonna leave this, I guess. But this is huge as well. So we just got 3 and see how big it is in the basket. Let's check out this one. Is it big enough? Okay, yeah. It's good enough for harvesting. Let's check it out. Someone here. Yeah, let's take this one too. Wow, you can see, massive, huh? So let's come here. So we can take another one here. Okay, this one's not too big. Keep it there. Then we're here. So I have to bend down to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumbo guavas, 6 jumbo guavas, all right, 7 jumbo guavas, oh wait, all right, so let's show them. You can see, these are huge. The thing about this guava is that it has a very long shelf life. I've harvested it now. I can keep it in this basket for the next 7 to 8 days without refrigeration. It's still gonna be fresh. Then even if I leave it on the tree, I can leave it, it's right now, I can leave it on the tree for another 2 to 3 weeks. And it's still gonna be fine. Of course, it should get slightly bigger, all right? So I'm going to put this, let's just even check a typical weight of those guavas. Check this one out. 0, that's it. Whoa, that's 800. So most of this are about 800. That's 800 again. So that's 800 grams. So you can see most of it are about 800 grams. All right. So there you have, once again, it's huge. So I'm going to go now to, let's harvest the guava that I hope, and I'm thinking it's more than 1 kg. The maximum I've gotten here is 1 kilogram. So let's see if we can break the record. Let's go. So we're going to come to this side. It's actually hiding. It's huge. Let me show you the side. Look at that. Oh my. My, oh my. Yeah. So I'm going to pluck it. Let me harvest it. I'm going to harvest it now and then we'll wait. So let's see. This is one huge guava. So you're going to see the weight. You can see? That's compared to the other guavas that are weighing 800 grams. This, you can see, this is 800 grams. We don't know how much or how much this weighs, but we're going to check right now. I'm hoping it's more than 1 kg. So let's see if I'm going to be surprised. I will look at the scale. So let's start. It's on 0, right? What do we have? Whoa! That's 1.2 kilograms. Let's do that again. So this is a world record. There you go. So I challenge anyone, if your guava is bigger than this, post it on YouTube, post it on Instagram, and let's see. But as far as I'm concerned, I think this is the heaviest guava with proof. Let's check again. Whoa! So I'm going to do something. I'm going to put the one here that's 800 grams. So let's check. This one is 800 grams. Let's check. So this is 800 grams. Let's check. This one is 800 grams. Whoa! This is huge. Yeah. A 1.2 kilogram. So I'm going to put this beside the malt. This is a kind of malt, 93Cl, so that you appreciate the size of this 1.2 kilogram guava. There you go. Side by side. You see? It's a giant 1.2 kilogram of pure, delicious goodness of this guava. There you go. One more time. Wait. Weigh the king. Yeah. That's where it belongs. 1.2 kg. There you go. Okay. Anyway, we finally broke the world record because I've had 1 kilogram before. So this is 1.2 kg. So I'm pretty much excited. I'm going to weigh it again so that you guys don't think, oh, we're fooling around here. So there you go. That's it. That's the heaviest, world heaviest guava. 1.2 kg. 1.2 kilogram. So I'm going to, that's it. So I'm just going to put it in the basket now and carry the basket. Ah, whoa. So that's it. Let me put the king on top. That's the king of them all. That's the king of them all. Wow. It's very heavy, huh? That's pretty heavy.